What is going on, guys, and welcome to the Credit Guys YouTube channel, the channel where we talk about all things credit and finance related. I'm Gilberto with Credit Guys. Today's video topic is going to be the difference between personal credit cards and business credit cards. So sit back, enjoy the video. Please be sure to like and subscribe and share to help the YouTube algorithm grow and bring more people to our channel. Let's get into it. So we're going to be talking about the differences between personal credit cards and business credit cards. Which one is better? What are the benefits of each? And which one's going to be right for you? So let's start off with the personal credit card. As it states, it's in the name, personal credit card. So personal credit cards are going to be looked at as primary accounts on your credit report. Personal credit cards are used for things like consumerism. So you can go buy stuff at the mall, you pay bills on them, you can fill up your gas, buy groceries. It comes with a name, right? What are the benefits of using personal credit cards? Well, one of the many benefits is that depending on the type of card that you may have, it might come with some kind of spending system. So for example, Amex. If you have an Amex, you get points for every dollar that you spend. Points that you can be used to redeem for free flights, hotels, points on groceries, you get points on gas. So all of your everyday spending habits, you get points for, and those points can be redeemed for either cash or, like I stated before, benefits on, discounts on flights and things like that. But they are consumer cards. So what are the negative aspects of personal credit cards? Well, the bad thing about them is if you carry more than 20% revolving balances on your personal credit cards, it's going to be reported back to the credit bureaus. And what that means is once you carry a balance of over 20% utilization, it's going to have a negative impact on your credit score, meaning it will drop your credit score if you're carrying over 20% of the balance every month. So the best thing to do would be to manage your spending, make sure you aren't overspending or over leveraging however much you can afford, because by the end of the month, you want to make sure you pay that card off in full before the next reporting period date. That way it won't have a negative impact on your credit report. The next thing we're going to talk about is business credit cards, which are my personal favorite. I recommend everybody get a business credit card if you have a business, right? Do you need a business to have a business credit card? The answer is yes. Every time you apply for a business credit card, they're going to ask you to upload documentation on your business, right? Articles of incorporation, your EIN number, your address, your name, proof that this business entity exists. One of my favorite business cards is going to be the Chase Business Inc. Now, depending on your personal credit history and the age of your business that you're trying to create, typically you want to make sure that your business is older than 2 years. That's going to be one of the stipulations that some business credit card companies have when it comes to approving you. But by no means does it mean that if you just started your brand new business, you can't go out and apply for a business credit card. You absolutely can. It's just going to determine how high your credit limit is. And one of my favorite things about business credit cards is that they always give you pretty high credit card limits. And the good thing about a business credit card is that anytime you spend it on your business in your bank statement, it's going to show you everything you need, right? So when it comes time for taxes, you're going to have all that information there and you can report it and deduct those from your business expenses. The number one benefit that I always recommend for everybody when it comes to business credit cards is that it does not report to your personal credit. Now keep in mind, not all business credit cards have that ability to not report on your personal credit. I know for sure that Chase Business Inc. does, business Amexes don't, they do also not report to your personal credit. So those are the ones you want to use. And the reason being is because you can max out those credit cards, right? You can max them out to the highest balance you have available, and it's not going to have a negative impact on your credit report. It's not going to report on your personal side. So a lot of ways to hide some debt, or if you want to move some debt around, is if you have carrying high balances on your personal credit card and it's impacting your score and you're wanting to apply for a home or a vehicle or another credit card, right, but your utilization is at over the 30% rate, then it's going to be very hard for you to get approved for more lines of credit. So a way to avoid that or work around that is getting a business credit card that doesn't report to your personal and moving over that debt from your personal credit card to your business credit card. Wait 30 days, it's going to report that your personal credit card has a zero balance and your credit score should shoot up, and you can go ahead and apply for whatever it is you were trying to get, a loan, a car, a vehicle, whatever. Those are the key differences between personal and business credit cards. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Take care.